It's probably the only World Heritage site that you can actually sit on and move with. So it's very exciting to be here. I'm very happy.
Representing Team Singapore, we are delighted that in this working group, we are focusing on adventure tourism in India, and boy did we get adventure. We are now on the historic UNESCO toy train, and the day before we were at the Gom Monastery and also the Triveni Sangam. So we are experiencing adventure tourism as its essence in Darjeeling.
Today we learn three things, 3H: history, heritage, and happiness by going in this historical trip. We need to learn from India how to maintain the history and heritage, and also the happiness of the people along the way. It's a seriously humbling experience for me.
Great to be here this time, seeing the magnificent sights from this railway.
This is such a wonderful experience. No wonder it's a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage.